Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can connect to server SSH or server terminal without using putty on Windows. So let's get started with the video. अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को करें सब्सक्राइब और साथ ही साथ दबाएं बेल का आइकन, जिससे जब भी मैं नया वीडियो डालूं आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. So guys, basically you will need a software which name as Git software. If you want to download, you can just go to the Google and you can search for Git for Windows. And let me just show you it quickly. So basically open Git, you can just click on the first link and you can download the software according to your Windows configuration. You can see here, and after installation you will able to see whenever you open a directory, you will able to see, let's say if I go to downloads, when you right click on in here, you will able to see git GUI and git bash here. So for now what you have to do after installation, you have to simply just, let's say if I'm in download folder, you have to just simply click here git bash, and then you have to, like, suppose you want to connect to a server, so let's say you have to simply write the name and the SSH and the username of the server, and then IP of the server. So let's say if I'm writing this and if I click enter, so it will ask you for cache, yes or no, just select yes, and then it will opt you for password. So I'm just writing the password here right now, and when I click enter, you can see I'm successfully connected to the server, you can see here. And if I want to list any directory, let's say cd, or let's say php version I want to check, so you can see here it is showing exactly the php version installed on the server. So guys, in this way you can connect server SSH without using putty. And also I will be showing you, if I want to exit, just click on right exit and press enter, you will exit the connection. So guys, now what I want to do is I want to connect to a server using PEM file. So how I can do that? Simply you have to do right here SSH, and then you have to enter -i, and then you have to give the path wherever you have saved the PEM file. Right now the PEM file is in downloads folder, so I'm just writing it here, fantasy goals.pem, and here I will have to write the username is ubuntu, and at the rate you have to write the IP. So I don't remember the IP, so I'll just copy this from here and I'll go here and I'll just paste the IP here, and when I press enter, see it's asked for cache, continue connecting, I'll write yes, and then you can see here I'm successfully connected to the server using PIM file also. So in this way you can just simply use or connect to terminal server terminal without using putty. So that's all in today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to share the video. Thanks for watching this video and bye for now.